This is Booster Robotics K1, more advanced robotic hands. RTX ice cream maker machine for smart camera, 3D AI embedded assistant. This is kind of like delivery tray, robotic hand. Very gentle, how smooth fingers, smaller body, robotic hands on wheels, and 2 robotic hands. Very cool stuff. Robotic Michael Jackson dance, smooth. Fingers move. Okay, folks, so looks like today is last day of CES 2026. It's Friday. We're going to finish our overview of exhibitions. We have 2 halls left, North and Venetian extra exhibition. So fingers crossed, we are not going to start for a long time as it happened like previous days. A lot of things to see, a lot of things to do. So that's our plan. And if we succeed, we may have additional overview of some interesting digital art experience in different places, not related to CES. Stay tuned, guys. And it was tough days regarding like covering all the things. It's incredible amount of things to film, record, process, digest. Yeah, hope you like it, hope it will make sense. Other than that, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your help, assistance, for subscribing to us, for liking us, definitely leaving comments. And again, this is very critical and crucial support you can give us. Thank you so much, we do it for you, we love you, and never stop creating. See you guys soon. Okay, so this is a central stage of Central Hall in Las Vegas Convention Center. So usually there is space for bigger forum, open tables, and right now you see a recording of Lenovo, huge exhibition and announcement made early days of CES. So yeah, this is overview of this central part, and now we go to North Hall. See you, folks. Okay, we live demos inside by SST of Firestream technology. It's automotive, IT-related stuff. This is Booster Robotics K1. It's idle now. Some robotic hands with manipulators and controllers. Here is our example device to find the way out of the maze. More advanced robotic hands, drone, and this is 360 camera, you see, and it should be me again. Hello! Okay, so these are some AI solution about object character recognition, computer vision, that's me, and of course AI home hub, smart home with AI support, smart goggles, metal lens, more about hardware, the AI brains. And here we have advanced AI controllers, so also hardware stuff. The many of me automotive can be surrounding reality with parking solutions. So this is for automotive advanced self-parking systems. This is digital cockpit, see, quite beautiful big display, and this is about connected ecosystem, connecting all the car. This is complete view, quite good, thank you. So technically we got North Hall actually, and these are different meeting rooms by LG, other companies, but they are only by invitation. Finally, we found it. Funny. I mean, like, I was very close, but I didn't get further. So this is North Hall. Okay, so looks like it goes all the way to the left. Okay, so here we met with 3M Solutions and the elevated experience in automotive with this nice new shiny Lincoln stuff. So you see many partners, Lincoln, AWS, Lenovo, General Motors, and they bring like immersive displays and next level luxury into the cars. Let's try to see what's inside of the car, many displays, and this is cool large display. Okay, so big exhibition of Abbott's about AI at the heart of the care, so more about like healthcare solutions. And Gigabyte, one of my first motherboards for big desktop was Gigabyte. So see here it's more about our components and Blackwell Ultra architecture, and you can see how huge are these racks servers. We can also check some desktops PC. Looks very nice, especially the size of the graphic card. It's quite big one. And I assume this is new. Yes, 1590 RTX. Looks cool. Laptops powered by Gigabyte technology. Okay, and this is very fancy, I believe, water cooling stuff. Very nice. Displays, desktop, very nice stuff. More commercial industry-based equipment. Yeah, white and shiny. Nice exhibition. Okay, here we got Robot ice cream. So fully autonomous ice cream maker machine. Look very nice, I would say, neon style, very cool. Also like from 8-bit gaming system. So what else we have here? So pad, phone, solutions for pad, different cameras, smart cameras, and also Testonic. So okay, pad phone is different company. Testonic is more about good function of the new generation of carpets, and pad cam is for smart camera to check on your buddies, smaller friends. You see, cat, dogs, they have cameras on neck. Okay, Connect the World, Unicord series. What else we have here? Power Tech. Oh, back to basics. Chargers. It was funny. I think South Hall, right? Okay, more devices by Dye Smart ESS Solutions. It's more about like air quality, smart stuff. And here we have XMOV. Okay, so this is fully 3D AI embedded assistant, and you see you can check different like models, and let's try who is XMOV. So you see it recognized my face. I'm not sure about XMOV. Okay, who are you? I'm Reid. Thanks for asking. I can handle various languages, then trust me. Okay, what can you do? You see, many tasks can be handled by this 3D AI assistant. Could you give me some practical example of assisting me with something? Okay, it's diverse digital humans powered by AI. Very cool. Good luck. Okay, so this is Robo Cleaner. This is bigger version. This is kind of like delivery tray robotics. Nice sound, nice music. And these are Lone Keenan. Okay, Keenan Robotics. Very nice. So this is more about like bigger robotics, helping hands in your house. So this one trims and cleans your porch, backyard, grass. More robotic stuff by real hand. And you see there's a half semi-bodied droid-like robotics. They also do have very nice overview of how it's assembled. The real hand, robotic real hand. Now I understand why they call it real hand robotics. Okay, so should I like? Okay. Very gentle. Okay, so do you mostly focus on like real like hand, robotics hand? That's why I'm curious because of the name of your company, like real hand.
Robotic hand.
Okay.
That's our main product.
And to be like most compared and close to like human touch and very nice. Here is another guy, and you see how flexible, how smooth fingers of this robotic hand. Very nice and simultaneously. You're doing a good job. Okay, some stuff by Panda G. So this is about more heavy duty robotics to see how big are the spikes, and so it could be used in tough terrain. So this is their robotic. So world's first commercial autonomous modular mover. So okay. You can attach different models and it will do the trick. Very nice, big one. Kinetic exoskeleton for legs, shoulders, back. Okay, very nice. And these are real examples of the devices. Okay, very nice. And you see, a backpack style, AI drive flex, support 20 kilometers per hour riding. Incredible.
That flows between the real and digital worlds, responds to rapidly shifting demands, and optimizes on its own. So you can transform headwinds into a head start.
So here we've already gone out of the way to connect the real and digital worlds together. So in front of us, we have our robot doing a pick and place operation for our prescription bottles. And in the back, we have our digital twin showing off the pallets moving through our factory. And so through all of this, we're collecting a ton of data, which we are seeing in a lot of factories today. But also like these factories, we're seeing a lot of familiar pain points, like high operator turnover, shrinking skilled workforces, and processes that are only becoming more and more complex. And while we love for our processes to be working at all times, we know that's not always the case. So when anomalies do occur, it's taking a lot longer than it should for us to identify the root cause of these issues and to be able to solve them.
Okay, that was very great presentation from Siemens. I mean, like, I love it. Probably it got a bit long, but immersive, engaging, and very, very cool. So yeah, definitely need to talk about it more in details. Okay, so here is Nexus Patio Tech. So again, big robotics assistant stuff. And here we have Neura industry, robotics. And we see one of the main products which is not working now, but let's see what we have here. And here we have a smaller body, so doing 360 turnaround. Okay, so no reverse. Oh, nice play with the namings. Okay, so we have this robot assistant, and now you see how the Gen 3.5 model is sorting the stuff. Okay, this is go to the left container, this goes to the right. Okay, very nice.
Hi.
Hello.
Want some explanation? It's just sorting the laundry.
Yeah, I mean, like, it's quite descriptive, and I see that it's doing a great job in terms of, like, socks go to the right, other clothes go to the left. And this is 3.5, right?
No, this is version 3.5.
Ah, so that's more advanced. Okay.
You just release that on the fair, so still static, so it doesn't move, but this is like the previous generation.
Very nice.
That's in various.
And is it like fully autonomous, or you need to control it?
No, this is fully autonomous, but it's trained on to do the job now.
Ah.
There's a chest camera, there's a camera, so it launches the box.
I see. And technically you can train it for different stuff.
Yeah, it's like basically we look at the robot, it's like a smartphone. You put apps on that, and the apps enable the robot to do specific things.
I see. Hey, it was very interesting experience, and you see more stuff like setting up like a room where they can do cleaning and other type of work like sorting or bartender. So, okay, and here we do sorting either apples, chips. Let's see what we can do. Okay, this is robotic hands on wheels, so you see it could be customized in different way and do different stuff. Here it will be a shop assistant based on what you want to buy and what you want to return. It will get back all this stuff. Okay, more cleaning robotics from Neura. I am really impressed. Very good demo exposition, demo stage. Really like it. Really cool. Okay, so this is Robotics AI solutions from Gen Data, and you see different controls how you can use. And okay, so these are kind of like assistant hands. Okay, nice to do more gentle work, more precise work. Okay, this is XBot Go, the first true 4K AI camera on Team Sports, and you can do autonomous video recording, for instance, game training, and it doesn't need person in the room, and it knows where to focus on. Very nice. More exoskeleton robot knee, and this is better, closer look, how it supports your knees. Okay, so more sorting-like activities, and two robotic hands working in collaboration. So, it's not sorting. You see, they actually get a t-shirt and properly. Okay, let's do TI's robot. Okay, TI5 robot. Okay, so their generation of autonomous robotics to assist you with different targets, goals you have, from smaller to bigger version. And look what I get, very nice stuff. This bigger version. And yeah, we'll also do very precise robotic hands, or we call collaborative robots. Okay, very nice. You see the movement, so smooth, very cool. Okay, so these signals DC Corporation, and they provide these very cool, nice devices which react, you see? And this is self-checkout out power solution by Vision Lab. Okay, so let's see what else we have here. And this is, yeah, you see, very powerful. Oh, very powerful. Yeah, especially if it's very warm, hot season. You can. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's really hard breathing. Yeah, very powerful stuff. Yeah, I mean, like it was really hard to breathe. Okay, power tools. More hardware components. Okay, automatic magic cotton candies, coffee machines, popcorn. Oh my god. So this is the whole audience. Very cool stuff.
Yeah, they're good. They're hardworking.
Nice. Oh, Michael. And you see, this is Robotic Michael Jackson dance. And all these guys are cheering him up. Very cool. So many robots in one place. Very nice. More robotic hands by Xiaowei. You see, very smooth, finger smooth, very nice. Understand why exactly? I mean, like, not why. I understand why robotic hands are very important, because it's hard to emulate the work of the robotic hand like a real human being in terms of the pressure, touch, and this hand dance. You see, 5 hands dancing. Oh, nice. Hope you hear the music. Okay. It's all about robotics dexterity. Okay, nice. And these are 1, 2, and 3 versions of the robotic hands. The first one was quite massive. Second one improved, and the third one is like humanoid one. Very nice.